Hello everyone, it's Joy and welcome back to CUMIC Weekly, where we bring you the latest Chinese steel prices and market trends every single week. If you're new here, simply hit the subscribe and like buttons right here. Don't miss out on any future updates. This week, the Chinese steel markets returned to a downward trend after a brief rebound last week. So what's happening in the market? Let's dive right in. Despite the recovery in manufacturing demand, it's clear that not all is well. The lasting slump in the property market and the lack of funding support for infrastructure construction due to local government debt issues are casting long shadows over steel demand. Even so, we are in what's typically the peak season for steel use. Inventories are not dropping as expected. This has led many market players to suspect if there's much room left for demand to grow. Next, let's examine the supply and demand side. This week, China's apparent demand increased by 400,000 and inventories decreased by more than nearly 1 million tons, with production going up. With these numbers, overall demand seems to be on the rise. However, we are seeing a bit of slip in demand for hot-rolled coil from last week, sparkling concerns about whether manufacturing demand can keep up its strong pace. So what's next for the steel market? Well, we believe the Chinese steel market is likely to continue its weak trend next week. Looking at the big picture, there might be potential positive moves in stimulus policy, like more cuts to reserve requirements and interest rates from the central bank, or even some whispers about a Chinese version of quantitative easing kicking off. While this could be good news, it's important to know that it takes time for such policy to make a real impact. Right now, the steel market is struggling with two challenges. One is high inventories and slow demand. These issues are putting pressure on steel prices, pushing mills to cut production to balance supply and demand, which may be the market trend for a longer time to come. Well, what's your take on the Chinese steel market? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. Just hit the subscribe and like buttons right here. Due to the festival vacation, see you the week after next week. Bye bye!